honestly don't think I've ever been in love with an outfit more. So everyone, for today's video I'm doing a Fashion Nova haul. I work with Fashion Nova all the time, so you kind of know their stuff, you know how much I love their stuff. For today's haul I've kind of got a bit of everything from every section. I've even got a pair of shoes. I've never tried Fashion Nova shoes before. If you want to try a pair of shoes, like, you go all out. These are all out and you're going to see. We're in the new filming room, of course, so let's just get straight into the video. I like to start my videos in an item now. I just feel like it's so much easier. So our first item, I haven't got any shoes on, sorry, is this pair of like army cargos. I love cargos so much at the moment. I don't know why. I just think they're so nice. You can dress them up and you can dress them down. So you could wear this outfit with a pair of like orange shoes or just white if you want it to go simple. Just some trainers. Or if you want to dress it up just one level, you could go with some like heeled boots. I feel like heeled boots and cargos look so good, like sock boots. They would look unreal. Or if you want to like wear them to go out in, you could wear them with a pair of heels. You can go with black or white or orange if you had a pair that was similar. Cargos are just amazing. You can wear t-shirts with them, you can wear cute tops to dress it up. There's so much you can do with them, and I just feel like if you don't own a pair of cargos already, you really do need to, because there's something that I've been missing from my wardrobe for so long. I'm slowly collecting all the colours. I feel like a pattern pair is cool. I love camo print with orange. I just think it looks so good. Hopefully you can agree with it, but just because normally people would just pair like brown with it or black, but I like to be fun and I love orange. Orange is probably my favourite colour. I am orange, so of course. These aren't as high-waisted as I would want. I do like a low-waisted cargo. I have just eaten, as I do with all my hauls. I don't know why I always do that, because I always complain about my food, baby. But anyway, if I hadn't eaten, I'd have them low-waisted. Got pockets here and here. I'm such a pocket person. It's got a zip and a little button. It does have belt loops, but I don't think I'd pair a belt with this. You can if you want to, but I just don't think a belt would go well. The waistband is super stretchy. Like, these are so comfortable. I stuck to my normal size. I think I got an extra small in these. If you did want them to be a bit more baggy, because these are kind of a slim fit. I do like both ends of the spectrum. I do like a baggy cargo, but then I do like a slim fit cargo also. But I like these. I would like a pair of these in slim and baggy. So maybe for a baggy I'd get like maybe a medium, but the waist might be a bit loose. This is the fit. They're not long neither, like a little bit of scrunching because it is like cuffed at the bottom. So perfect. So if you're 5 foot, you're not gonna have any troubles like me. I'm so in love with this outfit. I've tried Fashion Nova's jeans before. I tried them in like my first haul. I love that pair so much. I love these even more. I'm going to make the bold statement and say this is my favourite pair of jeans, like slouchy jeans I own. I own like a pair of ripped knee jeans, but they are just overly long. Now this is the perfect amount of length I like in the bottom, because I want to wear trainers and it kind of bag over the top to give that oversized fit. This is it. So it's just a normal light wash denim. I got these in a size 0. This is the smallest size, but I do still have some gap, but it's not like gaping or anything. I don't feel like they're going to fall down. There is belt loops, so you could put a belt in, but I feel like they're just nice. I could eat in these. I feel comfortable. They're high-waisted as well, which I love. I like how these are slits as opposed to massive rips. You can make them bigger if you want to. I've done that in the past with jeans. I just kept on my orange top before. I feel like, again, a good night out outfit. Jeans you can dress up and down. Same suggestions as I said with the cargos. You can wear trainers or heels or a t-shirt and a cute top. They have so many jeans, and I feel like with Fashion Nova's jeans, they have the right colour. Now, what I mean by that is some brands have like that really acid wash, and I don't like that. It reminds me of jeans when I was like 9. Not a fan, but this is such a lovely blue. They have so many options. They have skinny jeans, baggy jeans, straight jeans, mum jeans, ripped jeans, non-ripped jeans. They literally have so much selection. I'm not really sure where I'm going with this piece. I don't know how I'm meant to wear this. Am I meant to tie this? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure on the model it was like this. I don't know. So it's a halter neck wrapped round. It's all mesh, and then the ruched arms. This is so lovely. There's so much material, so if you do have longer arms, you don't have to worry. I've just paired it with some black cargos as well. Got a bit of shoulder, which I like. It gives it a bit of depth. I just feel like you have to be cool to wear this, and I'm looking in the mirror, sorry. I mean, tucked in it looks cool, but it looks a bit like a leotard. Okay, I love that. Yes, please. Okay, I love it so much more like that. It wasn't like that in the picture. I know it wasn't. I know it didn't have the belly out, but I prefer that so much more. Like some cool trainers, some red trainers. I can show you a bit closer up as well, just so you can really See it? Style it how you want, do what you want, easy you. Not even gonna lie to you guys, I have already tried this on. I did try it on the other day. When the parcel came, I was like, I need to try that on. I'm so excited. This is the piece I was so excited for out of everything. I will say a couple of things about it, just so you know, if you are gonna wear it, because obviously this is mesh. So flattering. I love this. Just maybe wear some nipple covers, because sometimes, because it is a very soft, thick material, it will just slip and slide a bit if you haven't got anything under it. You can't have a bra on and you can't have a strapless bra, so just stick some nipple covers on, just so if it does go to the side, you're not exposing yourself. Other than that, I love it. I feel like this is so flattering. You can adjust this as well, so if you like it a bit like that or a bit like that, so do what you want. I love this like emerald green colour. It's so lovely. I pair this with some like white heels, maybe clear heels as well. I'm just obsessed. Like, if you want a dress to feel confident in, this is the one. This is unreal. This is my favourite thing out of the whole. Like, I loved the other things, but this, Fashion Nova never disappoints me with dresses. Like I always say, if you need a going out dress, Fashion Nova is the place to be. They have so many. They have casual, holiday, night out. I will never have a bad word to say about Fashion Nova until I come across something bad. But till then, I will never say anything bad. I look scary tall right now. I hate how tall I look right now. Okay, I'm going to come off camera because you're probably not going to be able to see me. But look, they're like full diamond shoes. Surprisingly so easy to walk in. They're so comfortable as well. I think I might have sized up, possibly just because they're American sizes and I wasn't sure if they'd run small or not, but I'm glad I did. And it's square toe at the bottom, as we can see, and then this lovely platform long heel. I haven't tied them up the best, just because I am literally going to take them off in 0.5 seconds because I'm filming. Don't these look so good? Don't I look weird tall? It's just, it's not right, is it? It doesn't look normal because I'm 5 foot. I'm so sad about this top. The strap broke while I was putting it on. I mean, it's fixable. I'll get my dad to glue it back on. Just imagine it's there. I mean, you can't expect something like that to be so secure, so I'll just get my dad to glue it back on or something. If it's your birthday, wear this, because you could wear this as a dress. There we go. This isn't a two-piece, by the way, but both things are from Fashion Nova. I'm going to talk about the skirt in a minute. Let me just show you up close. There is full diamond tees all over it, covered. These are glued on so securely, like these are not coming off. The straps are diamond tee, this is all diamond tee. This has padding as well. Not a massive amount, but just enough. And then we've got the skirt. This is just a random skirt off Fashion Nova. They're not a set, not sold as a set. Just a mesh skirt because I wanted a skirt to go with this. I've never tried Fashion Nova skirts before, so I wanted to try that out as well. But it's not see-through, it's stretchy. Just really good quality. I'm obsessed with this outfit. I was not expecting to see a top like this on Fashion Nova. How unreal. Another outfit you kind of got to be careful with if you go out in it. Do I pull it? There we go. That's so much better. Okay. There we go. Right, and then you just retie that, but haven't got time for that. I love this because this is so many trends in one. We've got the chocolate trend, we've got the contrast stitch trend, and we've got the flared sleeve trend. Three. Oh, actually 4, because then the exposed tie-up. They can be a fashion thing, but also keep you warm. If your hands are cold. Things I'm going to say, not see-through, comfortable, not itchy. This isn't itchy. Flattering, it's ribbed. It's just amazing. I love the brown and the pink. 2 colours I wouldn't normally put together, but it works really well together. God, my hair got caught in that. I think with some clear heels. But if you don't like this, I guess you could just, yeah, look, you can adjust it. Just tuck it in. Obviously you do it properly, because that is a terrible attempt. I personally like it. I think it adds a little something. I mean, cut it off if you want, but then you might ruin the dress. I'm rating these. When do we do a Fashion Nova haul and don't rate them? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, this is a 9 out of 10. This is so funny because I don't go to the gym. I don't think I've ever been to the gym unless it's for school. I think it's really cute. It's just a little bit long, so I've just got baggage and I need to fold it. But just because I'm trying it on, I don't feel like I have to sit there and do that because you wouldn't even notice if I didn't put it out. Anyway, so it's this gym set. You know, it's normal gym material. What is this? Slinky? Don't know. Sweatproof. It's got thumb holes, which is cute. And then the jacket. Little zip-up jacket. I wish it was kind of tighter. Then we've got the gym leggings. They don't really stay up as much as I would like them to. But I guess that's just gym leggings. It's giving me a bit of camel toe, sorry about that. If you're looking for a gym set, this is nice. I wouldn't know, how would you rate a gym set without going to the gym? I mean, it has lovely stretch to it, I can move in it, I can do what I need to do in it. Don't matter if you're going to the gym or not, they don't need to know that. Stick your trainers on, you're going to the gym. Pretty cute. I am getting really hot because it's black. I've got lights on and it's literally like 27 degrees today. Love that. I really feel like I've been out of focus this whole video. I do apologise if I am. It's kind of hard to see in a viewfinder if you're out of focus. But we're on our last item. Now, if you've been watching my Fashion Nova hauls, you would have seen this set in, I believe, 2 colours. My first ever haul, I got the black one. That is my favourite tracksuit today. And then I also got the light pink one. I did get eyelash glue on it, so it's kind of ruined. I do still wear the top, but not the bottoms because they have a massive black stain on it. So I thought I'd get this colour. I just thought this colour would look nice with my tan and my hair colour, and it does not disappoint. So on the back, it has, I don't know what it says. I think it says Queen, but it's got diamonds on the bottom, which I absolutely love. And then the jacket. I also like to wear these like this. Let me quickly show you. I do this a lot too. I just find it looks a bit nicer. Here we go. So then it's more cinched. I do prefer doing that. Sometimes I just can't bother and I don't. But I love these sets. These are my favourite sets ever. The velour is so comfortable, so soft, not cheap feeling. Diamantes are stuck on so well. Comes as a 2-piece. They're just super chill outfits. I clean in them. I go to shops in them. I do absolutely everything in them. They're so comfortable and so worth the money. If you're going to pick up anything, I definitely would pick up this. I've picked this up 3 times in 3 different colours. I will continue to do it with other hauls to come. That's the end of my Fashion Nova haul. I know I do a lot of Fashion Nova hauls on my channel. I just love working with them so much. And I love showing you good clothes and I love showing you what I love. That's the whole point. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, you comment. Let me know your favourite piece, let me know if you're going to pick anything up. Then other than that, I'll see you in my next video.